Welcome back to the Adventures with the Average Joe. Today I'm doing another property cleaning. I got a bunch of vegetation growing here on the side of the property I got to pull up and clean up. And also on the other side of this, there's a bunch of leaves and debris that needs swept up off the path. Good bit of work, but I think I can manage it. Enough procrastinating, let's get started. For this side, I got the front half. Now I got to work on the back half. A little bit more work ahead of us, but it shouldn't be too bad. Let's get busy. Yesterday, my neighbor helped me out and did some trimming to get branches away from his house. Now I'm just going to finish cleaning it up. I'll get everything swept up afterwards, and this side of the house will be done. Good bit of work, but we should be able to manage. Enough procrastinating. Let's get busy. Thank you very much, everybody, for your help and for tuning in. This has been Adventures with the Average Joe, property cleaning the side of my house. I got the front side of the house and the back side of the house all cleaned up and swept up. I think that'll be about it for today. Until next time, have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification if you can, and if not, I still appreciate your help and I appreciate your views. Goodbye, everybody. Have a great day.